Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I love curling up with a good book, and what makes it even better? The smell of fall. And what reminds me of fall more than pumpkin? I love this pumpkin frosting candle by 96 North. It smells so delicious. And one of my favorite parts is that it is made from natural soy wax. So I don't have to worry that it's putting a bunch of harmful things in the air for us to breathe. There are so many different areas that I love putting this candle around my house because not only does it smell good, but it looks really pretty. I like putting it in my bathroom when I have guests over just for a little ambiance beside my plant. I also really like to put it on my TV stand with a few of my other decorative things, or even on my stovetop when I'm not using it, just to make it a little cozier in the kitchen. If you're looking for a new candle and you love the smell of pumpkin and fall and coziness, I highly recommend this one from 96 North. It smells so good and it really gets you warm and cozy. And that's my point of view.